All right, so why do we need to use and why resultative complements are so common, are so necessary in Chinese? In English, we have separate verbs to describe actions depending on their outcome. You can look but not see, or listen but not hear. However, in Chinese, verbs tend to be of the look and listen variety. The result is not included like it is in see and hear in English. So if you want to indicate the result, you have to use a result complement. So this is a sentence pattern. Subject like 我, verb 看 means to see. Result 看完 means finish reading. Or 看到 means able to see and add the object at the end of the sentence. 看到。好，我们来看这个 sentence 哈。我去买了 iPhone 12。So in this sentence, all we know is that you went shopping for iPhone 12, but we don't know if you actually purchased it. However, when we say 你买到了吗? Did you get it? 还没买到. You see the 到 is the resultative complement. 卖完了 卖 means to sell. And 完 is also the resultative complement. 完 means finish. So 卖完了 means sold out. So when should we use resultative verb complement in a sentence? When you want to indicate the result of an action, a resultative complement is placed after a verb of action. Okay, see, this is the daughter and the dad. And there are two sentences we can compare. The first one is 他在学开车. 学 means to learn, 开车 drive, to drive. 他在学开车. And the second sentence, 他学会开车了. 会 means we use that when someone acquired a skill. So do you think 他在学开车 that she is at this moment she is learning how to drive, or 她学会开车了 she has acquired the skill of driving? Which one do you think is correct? 她在学开车还是她学会开车了? I think from this picture, it should be she's still learning. 她在学开车. She hasn't acquired the skill yet, so we don't say 她学会开车了. Yeah, she's not ready. So she's 她在学开车. Or 她还在学开车. She's still learning how to drive. Okay, another example. 他在看书 he's reading. And what about this one? 他看完书了 he finished reading. So 他睡觉了. Or 他没看完书 he didn't finish reading the book. 他看完书了 finish reading. 他没看完书 he didn't finish reading. Okay, so let's review all the resultative complements that we have introduced so far and learn some new ones that can be formed from the verbs and complements you already know. Okay, so we just talked about one, right? One means finish. So when we put it after a verb, that means this action is done. We finished doing this. And 见 means to see. So when we put the after verb, it means catch sight of. 错 是什么意思呢？错 means wrong. So verb, for example, 写错 写 means to write， 所以写错呢？写错什么意思？ You write something wrong。好，清楚，清楚 means clearly。So we can say 听清楚，说清楚。好，看清楚了。Okay, so please copy this on your worksheets. Okay, so more resultative complements here. 到 we put the 到 after verb, achieve the purpose of the action. So it can also indicate an action lasts to a certain time. 我们一直聊到12点。我们一直 we keep talking, we keep chatting until 12 o'clock. 我们一直聊到12点。And 到 can also indicate a move from one place to another. 把东西 means stuff or things. 把东西送到 deliver to 教室里去。教室里 means classroom. So 把东西送到教室里去。Please deliver this stuff, this thing to the classroom. Indicate being in a serious condition. 好，老到，老 means age, aged, old. 饿到，饿 means hungry. So I can say, 我没有吃饭 I didn't eat. 我饿到不能走路了。走路 means walk and 不能 means cannot. So 我没有吃饭 I didn't eat. 然后我饿到 I have starved to the point that 不能走路了 I cannot walk anymore. 我没有吃饭，我饿到不能走路了。Okay, so these are all the example of 到 and it can indicate different things when we put the 到 after a verb. 好 so verb plus 好 means ready or you complete something. 懂 by itself means comprehend or understand. So when we put 懂 after verb means that verb, the action is you understand 听懂了 for example 听懂了好看懂了 okay 会 when we put the after verb that means certain skills have been acquired 学会了 okay so please copy this down okay so now you are going to 连连看哈连连看 means you know you are going to find the correct one match each other 学会学 means to learn and 会 we just learn that indicate certain skills have been acquired and 找到 means to find 听见听是 hear 看完 finish reading 买错 means wrong and 买 means to buy 听清楚清楚 clear right and 听 listen 做好做完 both means finished 好 or 完 means certain action is completed 看懂 means understand or comprehend so can you find the answer the correct translation of each of these phrases. Okay, so let's do it together. Okay, finish reading. Which one is it? 看完. Find something successfully. 找到. Hear something or someone. 听见 or 听到. Okay, complete doing something. 做好做完 buy the wrong thing 买错 comprehend what one reads comprehend remember we use 懂 so 看懂 Hear clearly, clearly, 清楚. So here, 听清楚. Okay, acquire the skill, acquire 会，好，学会. Okay, so please check your answers, and I would like you to make sure you are able to read all these phrases and you understand the meaning of each one.